Pisah means apart.
Hmm?
There is pisah. Pisah means apart.
Pisa means what?
Being apart.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Can we start right now?
We are fine.
Sure, teacher.
Okay. Am my voice clear enough?
Quite slow, but still can be here.
How about my voice? Is it clear enough? Apakah suara saya terdengar?
For me, quite slow, but still can be here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you for giving your input.
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back. We are so happy to see you again. My name is Pratiwi, but you can call me Tiwi. Okay. Yeah.
Peewee.
Yes. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And here is my partner, Miss Rindianti. You can introduce yourself, Miss Rindi.
Okay, so my name is Rindianti Jasmine Azahra, but my friends either call me Jasmine or Rindi. Because in the future, there will be another teacher named Jasmine, so I prefer to be called Rindi. So there will be two Jasmine in the future.
Okay.
And I think that's all about me. Because this will be the first time we all see each other. If you don't mind, I would like you to introduce yourself to us so we could get to know each other. Just make it shortly. And what should we call you, ladies and gentlemen?
Aha. Okay, I start. I'll try to practice one or two phrases from Bahasa as nama saya Tununu Mafleka. I can prefer you call me Tununu.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Saya dari Lilongwe, Malawi. So nama saya Tununu. Thank you.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda, Tuan Tununu. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. And what about the other? Hello, Miss Farah.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me. Nama saya means my name is?
That is correct.
Okay. Nama saya Farah Rahmi. Just enough.
Okay, so we can call you Miss Farah, okay?
Yes, Farah. Just.
Okay. Senang bertemu dengan Anda, Miss Farah.
I didn't hear you.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda. It's nice to meet you. It's a phrase.
Thank you. Oh, I didn't understand.
Teacher Etoy, would you please introduce yourself?
Not hear you,
Sorry, I didn't on the microphone. So, I'm from Malaysia, and
It's be very for you, I think.
yeah, I think so. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay. So, Miss Tiwi, what will we going to learn today?
So we are going to learn greetings in Indonesia.
Suaranya itu kurang jelas itu.
Check. Hello.
Ya, makin lama makin kurang dengar.
Okay, wait.
We will review what we learned at the previous lesson.
Yes, that is correct. We will have a little review of what we have learned in the last meeting.
Okay, I have just want from you to review last uh,
Okay.
the last lesson
Okay. So if I'm not
because I didn't join.
okay. So if I'm not mistaken, during the last meeting, the materials are introducing yourself, to which you guys are going to say was learning about how to say hello in Indonesia. Senang bertemu denganmu. It's nice to meet you. Basically, it's about introducing yourself in Bahasa Indonesia. Unfortunately, I was not the teacher from the last meeting, so I do not have the big picture of it. But I do know what you've learned in the last meeting. Mr. Tununu, did you join the last meeting?
Yes, I did join the last meeting.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell us a little bit about what you learned in the last meeting?
Okay, thank you. Last meeting we learned how to introduce yourself. For example, you mention your name,
Mm-hmm.
like nama saya Tununu Mafleka,
Mm-hmm.
and then we also learned where do you come from, and then you ask the question, where do you come from? Is um, hmm, I've forgotten the question again, but you say saya dari Lilongwe, Malawi, meaning to say I come from Lilongwe, Malawi. So, and then we also learned how old are you? And then you say I am this year's. You mention your age. Yeah. So, for example, like if you want um, to ask someone like berapa kamu berapa
Umurmu?
kam, kamu ya berapa umur kamu or berapa umur anda. Something like how old are you, and then the person would respond. So I think that's basically what we learned last week. You know how to introduce yourself, your name, your age, and also where do you come from? I think those were the three questions that we were supposed to ask and respond. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for sharing what you have learned during the last meeting, Mr. Tununu. So, yeah, that it's the basics of introduction. So when you introduce yourself, you're going to say your name, your age, if you are willing to share, and where do you come from. In Indonesia, it is considered the basic. Even if you are fellow Indonesian, you still sometimes ask where do you come from, since Indonesia is a large place. So there is katakan halo, katakan hi, and you and this time we're going to learn about salam or greetings. Miss Pratiwi, the floor is yours.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Rindianti. So we are going to learn about greetings in Bahasa Indonesia. So by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to greet people in Bahasa Indonesia. Choose the correct greeting based on the times of day and respond to simple greetings confidently. Now let's maybe we can move on to the next slide. So yeah, uh, look at these pictures, what greeting do you see? Can anyone read this?
Yeah, I will start. Selamat pagi.
Yes. Correct, Miss. Miss. Selamat pagi means good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Tenunu, please practice. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, morning.
Okay, selamat pagi.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we use selamat pagi from 4 a.m. until 10 a.m. I have a question. If it
Okay, so
is 7 a.m., what do we say? Are we still saying selamat pagi? 7 a.m.
Yeah. Selamat
Yeah.
pagi. 7 a.m. is selamat pagi.
Yes.
so we don't mention the last letter here, the P, the T. We just say selama. We don't say selamat. Is that correct? We just say selama.
We say the T word, selamat.
Selamat.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Selamat pagi.
100%.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next slide. All right. This is a little Indonesian culture note. So in Indonesia, many people start work around 8 a.m. So if you send work message very early, maybe 5 a.m., it may be considered too early or considered rude. So it's always good to think about the time when we chat or greetings everyone. So next slide. Okay, let's practice one more time. Say selamat pagi. Can anyone wants to try?
I give Mr. Tenunu a chance to practice selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Selamat pagi.
It's great.
Great pronunciation. Okay, next. Okay, now can anyone read this phrase? This greeting?
Yeah, sure. Selamat siang.
Yes, correct. Selamat siang means Mr. Tununu, can you read selamat siang? Can you?
Selamat siang.
Yeah.
Yes.
Selamat siang.
Miss Farah,
Okay.
can you want to try?
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Yay.
Yeah. So we use or say selamat siang from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. So here are Indonesian culture notes again. Around this time, many people are having lunch or daily prayer. So please be patient on and considerate if someone is replying slower. Okay, next slide. So
Selamat siang.
yes, we can
siang.
say together, selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Mr. Tenduna, you would like to try again?
Selamat siang.
Yes.
I have a question. If I still saying that selamat siang is selamat pagi, is it considered right? So 11 is still morning, right? But we didn't use selamat pagi.
In Indonesia, mostly 11 a.m. is considered as afternoon. Selamat siang.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
Indonesia has this culture in which they you need to wake up early, or else a chicken will eat your fortune.
Yeah, correct.
To which that in Indonesia, sometimes even 9 a.m. is considered already too late, too early. Because Indonesia mostly starts working on, if not 7, it is 8 a.m. So in general environment, 11 a.m. is already considered afternoon or siang.
Siang, okay.
Ya,
Okay.
selamat siang. Before 10, selamat pagi.
Yes.
Yes.
And next.
Selamat pagi, selamat siang.
And the next one
Okay.
is
Very good.
And the
Selamat sore.
yes.
yes,
Selamat sore.
Sore mean evening, right?
yes.
Is it evening or afternoon?
Afternoon is selamat siang.
Oh, siang is afternoon, but evening is sore.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yes. So in
Sore. Selamat sore.
so we use
Sore or
sore.
short?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sore.
Sore.
Yes.
Sore. Sore.
Sore.
Selamat sore.
Evening.
Miss Pratini,
If I say selamat petang, is it still correct? Or I need to use selamat sore?
we don't really use selamat petang in Indonesia. It's always either selamat siang, antara selamat siang or selamat sore.
Okay.
So yeah, let's continue. We use or say selamat sore from 3 p.m. until around 6:30 p.m. So here are the Indonesian cultural note one again. So many people finish work between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. So this is usually the time when people are going home or spending time with their family. If someone doesn't reply to your work message immediately, they may already be off work. So it's always good to respect people's personal time. Okay, next slide. Okay,
Okay, selamat sore.
yeah, let's practice saying again
Selamat
together.
sore.
Selamat sore.
Selamat sore is
Selamat
what?
sore.
It's evening.
Yes.
Yes.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's look another greetings. Okay. Can anyone read this slide?
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Yes.
Yes.
Selamat
Selamat malam.
Malam.
Malam. Okay.
malam.
Selamat malam.
Yes. So selamat malam means good evening, or in Indonesia good evening or good night, depending on the situations. So we usually say selamat malam around 6:30 p.m. until midnight. Next slide. Yeah, here's another interesting cultural Indonesian note. In English, people often say good night before going to bed or saying goodbye, but in Indonesia, selamat malam is also used as a greeting. So if you meet your friend at 8 p.m., you can still say what?
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Yes.
Selamat
correct.
malam.
Yes. Next slide. So yeah, let's practice again to say selamat malam.
Selamat. Mr. Tenunu, now is selamat malam.
No.
In Malaysia and Indonesia.
Yeah, but here it's still afternoon. It's
Afternoon. afternoon.
Selamat siang.
What about
Yes,
you,
still.
Mr. Farah?
Yes, still. Selamat siang.
Correct,
And
correct.
for us, it's Selamat Siang.
Oh, also selamat siang, ya. Okay. Okay, so in Indonesia, there are 4 main greetings, that is selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, dan selamat malam. In Indonesia,
Mhm.
actually, good afternoon could mean selamat siang or selamat sore. We have in contrast to English. And here are the basic greetings in Indonesia. There are hi, hello to halo, good morning,
Halo.
selamat pagi, good afternoon, selamat siang, good evening, selamat sore, then good night, selamat malam. There are still a little bit differences. Indonesia say hello while English says hello. Mr. Tununu, I wonder, how do you say selamat pagi in your language?
In our language, selamat pagi is okay. Not in English because in English it is good morning, but in my language is say mwazuka bwanji.
Mazuka Buanji.
Mhm.
So like that. Oh, that is very interesting.
Can you type it on the chat box? I think it's
Yes.
interesting.
In Arabic,
Okay,
we
in the
say
chat
Sabah
box.
al-Khair.
Yes. Yes, Miss Farah? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. How do
In
you say
Arabic, we say instead of say good morning or Salamat Biyang, Bagi,
pagi?
we say Sabah al-Khair.
Oh,
I am not fluent in Arabic.
Sabah al-khair, sabah al-nur.
Sabah al-Nur.
Oh, that is very interesting, yeah, Miss Ratiwi?
yes.
You learn something new every day. What? How do you guys say it in your community?
Masa al-Khair.
Masal al-Khair. I think I pronounced it wrong. What about you, Mr. Tununu? How do you say selamat malam in your language?
In our language, selamat malam or siang?
Malam.
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 Good night.
Good night. Usiku wa bwino.
Musik wabini.
Yes, good night we say usiku wa bwino.
Ah, that's very interesting. So I learned something new today.
Interesting.
Okay, and
Mazuka Buanji.
That's salama
Pagi.
salama pagi.
Mazuka Buanji. Okay.
Yes.
Sabah al-khair.
Sabah al-Khair.
okay, so that was about the time in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are also other parts of greeting that you ask how the other person was doing. Apa kabar? It's roughly translated into English as "Are you?"
How are you?
How are you is apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Yes,
Is
that
that?
is correct.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Apa
Apa
kabar?
kabar?
Yeah.
So you can combine it with the previous greeting like selamat pagi, apa kabar? Yeah.
Good morning, how are you? Selamat pagi, apa kabar?
Yes, exactly that.
Wow, excellent. Wow, Mrs. Tununu.
Yes.
Okay.
Selamat pagi, apa kabar?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then sometimes people will answer, most of the time people will answer, kabar saya baik. I am good or I am fine.
And yes,
Kabar saya
kabar saya baik.
baik.
Kabala, come again?
Kabar.
Kabar
Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik.
Baik. Yeah, correct. Baik.
Kabar saya baik. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
kabar saya is when you are
Saya.
feeling fine or well. You don't feel well, you answer with kabar saya kurang baik.
okay. So you say I am not fine.
Yes, I am not fine or I am not really fine.
Okay.
But here's the thing, in Indonesia, we sometimes don't answer the way we actually feel because we wanted to be quote unquote polite. So we Indonesia tend to just answer with, yeah, kabar saya baik, even if we feel a little sick and or if we feel a little bad. There's a little cultural difference in Indonesia. So I'm going to practice a little. Mr. Tununu, selamat siang. Apa kabar Anda?
So I would say saya. What am I
Kabar.
supposed to say?
Kabar.
Kabar
Saya
saya baik.
Yes. Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik.
kabar saya baik.
Miss Farah, selamat sore. Apa kabar Anda?
Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik. Yes, excellent. Good job. And sometimes after someone asks us apa kabar, we usually ask someone the same question. So, but in example, Miss Pratiwi, apa kabar?
Kabar saya
Mhm.
baik. Bagaimana denganmu?
Nah, so bagaimana kabarmu? The first one here means how are you in the what should I say it? In response, another question to gain engagement. Bagaimana kabarmu means how are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? Mr. Nunu, would you like to try?
No. Pronounce it well again. What did you pronounce it as?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Bagaimana
Yes.
kabarmu?
Yes. Exactly.
Bagaimana kabarmu?
I'm good.
Okay.
Saya kabar baik.
Bagaimana in English, bagaimana, the first word here, roughly translates into how. How are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? Miss Farah, would you like to try?
All of this means how?
Yes. Bagaimana means how.
Bagaimana.
Yes.
And another word.
Kabarmu means
kabarmu.
How?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Bagaimana kabarmu? Good.
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Yes. And then there is bagaimana denganmu. Denganmu is how about you?
Okay. Bagaimana denganmu?
Yes, that's correct. So,
Okay.
bagaimana denganmu along with bagaimana dengan Anda means the same, but dengan Anda is used in a more formal situation. Like if you wanted to greet your boss or a colleague that you're not really familiar with, you tend
Mhm.
to use Anda. Anda here is a formal version of you atau kamu. So if it's
Kamu, okay.
so if it's so Mr. Tununu, if you want to talk with your friends, you can
Mm.
just ask bagaimana denganmu. But if you wanted
Mhm.
to talk with your boss or someone in a higher position, you can ask dengan Anda.
Okay. Bagaimana dengan Anda?
Yes, bagaimana dengan Anda? Miss Farah?
Dengan, is it dengan or dengan?
Dengan.
The middle word.
Dengan.
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 Bagaimana dengan Anda? It means, how about you? But it's my boss or my senior.
Yes, it's in a formal
Okay.
situation. Miss Farah, would you like to try?
Bagaimana dengan Anda?
Anda.
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 Yes, that is correct.
Bagaimana dengan Anda?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Etoy, would you like to try?
Yeah, sure. Mr. Tununu,
Yes,
ask
yes.
me apa my kabar? Apa kabar?
Oh, apa kabar? Mrs. Rita, apa kabar?
Ya, kabar saya baik. Bagaimana kabarmu?
Uh, uh, what am I supposed to say? I'm fine, but I know I
Ya,
am supposed
kabar
to say I'm
saya,
fine.
kabar
Oh,
saya
yeah,
Kabar
yeah.
baik.
saya baik.
Kabar saya baik. Okay, so let's start again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Let's combine it with selamat. Let's combine it with
Yeah.
selamat.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. So we say
Can I
selamat pagi.
Miss
Mhm.
Farah, yes, you can start.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Miss Farah.
Selamat pagi,
Mhm,
Mr. Tununu.
mhm.
Uh,
إيش
Correct.
you have just said good morning, Mr. Tununu, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so you haven't asked me how are you?
Apa kabar?
Aha, kabar saya baik. Dengan what am I supposed to say?
Bagaimana?
Kabar.
Gimana?
Okay, bagaimana dengan no, not dengan. Bagaimana kabarmu, Miss Farah?
Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik. Good job.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Pronunciation is really nice for a first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want you guys to take a look at this picture. There are 4
Mhm.
people here.
Yes.
So in Indonesia, we have a culture. So in Indonesia, we don't really call someone by their name. We have a title. So if we want to call someone older, a woman especially, we call them ibu or
Yes.
ibu or bu. It's roughly translated into ma'am.
Bu for man.
Bu.
And
And for
yes.
and then there is bapa atau pa, which roughly means sir. So if I can show you an example, is Bapak Tununu, Sir Tununu.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am.
Okay, then I'll say Ibu Rindianti.
Yes, exactly like that. Ibu
Mhm.
Rindianti. Ibu atau bu. Usually ibu.
Ibu, what's your name?
I'm sorry, what?
Rindianti. What?
Yes. Miss Farah, you can call me Rindi for short.
Rindi?
Rindi. My full name
Ibu Rindi.
is Ibu Rindi. Yes, that is correct. However, there is a little bit cultural differences here. Bu or ibu also means mother. So ibu tends to be used to refer as It can also be used to call mother, children to the ibu atau
I have questions.
yes.
Okay. Okay. From the pictures, ibu or bu means the senior adults, right?
Yes.
So kakak and kak is. Do you have any the range of their age?
The range of the age. So there is no specific range of age for ka or kakak, but ka or kakak tend to be used just generally someone older than you.
Older than me.
Yes, for example, if you have a younger sister or a younger brother, it is rude for in Indonesia. It is rude if you call your older sister or your older brother with their name. So you refer them as ka or kakak. It also works with your senior, mostly in school environment. Kakak and ka is a gender neutral word, so you can use
Kakak?
it kakak, kakak or ka.
Uh,
You can use kak.
Kaka or kak?
You can use kaka or kak to both men and women.
Okay.
Just generally someone. So
Kak for women.
for example, if I was Miss Farah's Farah as Kak Farah or Kakak Farah, like that.
Mm-hmm.
So should I call you
We can use
Miss
it for
Rindy?
men and women.
Yes, for men and women. It does not have a gender.
Okay.
So
Not
for
like Ibu and Bu.
Yes, ibu dan bapak is a gender word, while kak or kakak is not.
But Ibu is just for women and Bu it's just for men.
Oh no, ibu and bu are both for women. Bapak
Okay.
or pa is the one for men.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
Okay. So, Mr. Tenunu, would you like to try pronouncing these words?
Yes. Kaka and kak.
Ka. Yes.
Yes. Then bapak
Mhm.
and pak.
Okay. Yes.
And ibu and bu.
Yes. So, a little
Mhm.
bit about Indonesian culture. Usually, when we say ibu or bapa to someone older than us, it will be in a very formal situation. Like, for example, if you're in a hospital and a doctor explaining to the patient, they will call it bapa. Bapa, you
Mm-hmm.
must do this and this. Ibu, you must wait around here, like that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and here are a bit of Indonesian culture. It's so Indian.
Excuse me.
Yes.
From where we can find this slides?
The slides will be uploaded later on by Madam Najma.
Okay.
You will
Thank
have
you.
the access of it. So Indonesia is a country with a majority of Muslim population. So we adapt plenty of gestures from the Islamic culture. Like for example, the first one here is a simple handshake. You usually do this, or we should say salaman. So salaman is something that you do with your friends or your colleague. Salaman. Pronunciation goes like this. Salaman.
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 Yes,
Okay.
salaman. So, for example,
In
Mr.
Arabic, we say salam.
Yes, it's we do not actually have to say salam. We just give out our hand, and the other will take it.
Yes, like this.
Yes, like that.
And you will
Salaman.
What? Like what? Can you
this.
As
demonstrate?
This.
Oh, okay.
so salaman is
Then you
used.
In
say
Arabic, we say salam.
Yes. So salaman is
Yes.
usually,
Like Salaam alaikum.
yes, it's
This is Salam.
it's an adaptation of that. So salam is basically used between you and your friends. And the next one is off. And the next one, Miss Pratiwi, can you help me about this second one? What do we call them?
No, I don't I don't know.
Miss Pratiwi?
Uh,
Hello?
what Miss Rini? What is it?
Okay. What do we call this? Is it a little bit my memory? Is it fudgy? But what do we call this? The middle one?
Hmm, apa ya? What do we call that ya?
The an Islamic approach, like in Islam, men and women cannot touch. So sometimes some people will refuse to do handshake. They
Yeah.
will not handshake. They will. Teacher Ethel, I think this gesture is also be used in Malaysia for between men and women. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
So sometimes you don't shake other people's hand. Instead, you just go a little bow like this.
Salam.
It's there's a variety. Also, it depends on what the people believes. The last one is called salim. There is salam and salim.
Oh, Salam and Salim.
This one is salim. So salam
Salim.
is usually used between friends or colleagues, while salim most of the time are done by younger people to older people. So we can see here children lining up salim to their teacher. It is an act where the younger person grabs the older person's hand and kiss their palm.
Yes.
Okay.
Mostly done by a student to a teacher or to a parent or an older family members. It's mostly a cultural thing. It's salam and salim. Okay. If you Miss Etoy, would you like to try? Right. Good morning, sis. How do you say it in Bahasa? Hello, is my
Salamat
voice
pagi.
audible? Selamat pagi. Good. How
Right?
about Mr. Tininu, would you like to try? Selamat. What was morning?
Which one?
This one.
Okay. Salamat. Okay. Salamat Kak Rinji.
Yes, selamat pagi.
Oh, selamat pagi Kak Rindi.
Yes, that is correct. Miss Farah, would you like to try using sir?
I would just try.
Yes.
Salamat sir. Papak or pak?
Yes. Selamat sore, Bapak. Selamat sore, Pak. Both.
Yeah.
How about this? Afternoon and ma'am.
Okay. Selamat siang
Siang.
Ibu.
Yes. That is correct. Selamat siang,
Or
Ibu.
salamat siang bu.
Ibu or Bu.
Ibu
Selamat
atau-
siang Ibu or Bu.
Yes, selamat
Yes.
siang Ibu or Bu.
True.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Tahniah.
Yeah.
Mabruk.
Okay, so that's mostly our texting. Mostly our in-person greeting. However, Indonesian also have the culture where we are very, very polite when we are testing someone. So while messaging, we usually start by excusing ourselves after greeting. For example, selamat pagi, like that. And in Indonesia, we can say permisi,
Permisi.
permisi or excuse me,
Oh, permisi is excuse me.
me,
Permisi.
permisi.
Oh, okay.
But it's not yours. And after you say permisi, you also have to say maaf mengganggu.
Maaf.
Yes, maaf mengganggu. I'm so Indonesia usually starts with a greeting like selamat pagi, permisi Bapak atau Ibu, maaf mengganggu. Yeah, it's very long actually.
Okay. Selamat pagi. Permisi. Maaf mengganggu.
Yes, we can see the example here.
Yes.
Miss Farah, would you like to try?
Selamat siang, Bu. Maaf mengganggu.
Yes, selamat siang Bu. Maaf mengganggu. Good afternoon, ma'am. Sir, I'm sorry to disturb you. As Indonesia has this prominent
Mengganggu.
polite culture.
Maaf mengganggu.
Maaf mengganggu.
Permisi.
Permisi.
Permisi means excuse me. Permisi.
Yes.
Permisi.
And
Yes.
permisi is not only used when you're texting someone. For example, Miss Farah, you are in a hurry and you need to go somewhere, but there are two people in front of you that are walking too slow. You can say permisi, and then they will give you the way. They will let you pass. You can say that way about permisi. So it's not only about but also a polite expression. And maaf
Yes.
mengganggu it can also be used outside texting. For example, if you are in a public place and you need to ask someone, if you wanted to ask for direction, you can just tap their shoulder and say, "Permisi, maaf mengganggu. I want to ask something." This is a non-formal greeting. You can use this everywhere. Dr. Nunu, would you like to try?
Okay, so I start with Selamat siang Bu.
Mhm.
Permisi. Mengganggu.
Maaf mengganggu.
Maaf.
Maaf.
Ya.
Maaf.
Double
Mengganggu.
Mengganggu.
Mengganggu. Mengganggu. Okay. Selamat siang Bu. Maaf mengganggu. Mengganggu. Okay.
Yes, mengganggu. In Malaysia, we also use
Selamat siang, Bu. Maaf mengganggu.
yes. Ms. Zurita, in Malaysia, it's not really that different, right?
Yeah, but still we use the word maaf. Yeah, that's all.
The word maaf or sorry is actually used in a lot of contexts in Indonesia. So
Maaf means sorry.
yes, maaf means
Maaf means what?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay. Maaf.
Not sorry. So
And
sorry.
mengganggu means
I'm sorry.
distribute you.
I'm sorry.
Mm-mm.
Yes, mengganggu means disturb you. Mengganggu itself
Okay.
disturb.
So the
Ah,
maaf is
okay.
the one that you are saying I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
And permisi.
And permission.
Excuse me.
Permisi.
Jadi we should use both permisi and maaf mengganggu, or
Yes.
just permisi or maaf mengganggu.
We can use both, especially when you are texting your boss, your senior. So so people tend to use permisi maaf mengganggu.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
let's go back a little to the previous
Selamat
expression.
pagi.
So Indonesian love to shorten words a lot. We love to shorten it. So in informal context, instead of we say selamat pagi, we say met pagi. Met is the short
Met.
for met pagi.
Okay. Met pagi.
Met pagi.
Met pagi.
Met pagi.
Met siang.
Met siang, yes. Met malam.
Okay. Met malam.
Met malam.
Met sore.
Yes.
Sore.
Mhm.
So met pagi, met siang, met sore, and met malam tend to be used in an informal situation. So if you are with your friends or with your best friend, you can use it met pagi. But please don't use it when you're talking to your superior, because it will be seen as very
Selamat formal
yes. Selamat
and
is very formal.
informal.
Mhm.
So yeah, you only use with me, Mr. Tenunu. Met pagi, met malam, met siang, met
Yes.
sore.
Yes.
Yeah.
Met pagi with you. But
Yeah.
with others, you say selamat pagi.
Yeah. With Bu Rindi, Kak Rindi is selamat pagi.
Selamat. Yeah.
Yes, selamat pagi with Rindi. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ibu
In fact,
Rindi.
we say selamat pagi, Pak Rindi.
Bu.
Pa is for men. I'm a woman.
Oh, Bu.
Bu.
Bu
Oh,
or
madam.
Kak?
Yes.
Yes, bu.
Kakak is safe. Kakak is safe for
Kakak
both,
is
right?
Kakak is safe. Bu is safe.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh, another shorten is that sometimes Indonesian do not use the word selamat at all.
Aslan.
So we can just say pagi, gitu. Especially if you are
Mm.
greeting someone on the street, or if you are just passing by, you wanted to greet someone, you can just say pagi Pak, pagi Bu, like that. Siang
Pagi.
Pak.
Oh, pagi Kak,
Okay.
pagi
Yes.
Pak, pagi Bu.
Yes,
Oh.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
Malam Pak.
Siang pa, siang bu.
And word like this sometimes consider you everyone, but of course not in a text. If you are writing something formal, you still need to use selamat. But if you are just greeting someone, you can just say sore Pak, siang Pak. So, for example, malam
Okay.
Miss Farah.
What?
You can just say it
So
like malam Miss Farah, gitu. Like that.
Oh,
Yes.
Madam Miss Farah, that is good evening, Madam Farah.
Yes,
Yes.
it's the short version of it. And like here, pagi Miss Zurita, gitu. Pagi Bu Zurita, gitu.
Ya, selamat pagi. Apa kabarmu?
Kabar saya baik. Bagaimana dengan Anda?
Saya baik juga. Sudah.
It's a very, it's like the very basic greeting, ya.
Iya, iya.
Okay. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar, Miss Zurita?
Ya, selamat.
Yeah. Responded to my greeting. I said, "How are you? Good morning. How are you?" You've said you are fine. So what do I say after that?
That's great.
Apa
Bagus.
kabar?
Yes, you can
Kabar
say that's
saya
great,
baik.
bagus. Or you can say senang mendengarnya. Glad to hear that, but it's not really used a lot in Indonesia. We can
How about this? Say thank you. How do you say thank you?
terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima.
Terima kasih.
Iya, terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Okay.
Terima
Terima kasih.
kasih. Goodbye or sampai jumpa. Yes, terima kasih. So, in Indonesia, if we want to say goodbye, we can just say sampai jumpa. We don't really say goodbye. Actually, sampai jumpa means you say goodbye to someone, but you're still going to meet the person afterwards. So, for example, sampai jumpa Mr. Tununu, sampai jumpa Pak Tununu. Goodbye, Mr.
Sampai jumpa, Ibu Rindian.
Yes, like that. But sampai jumpa is tend to be used in not really a formal, but in certain contexts. We don't really use sampai jumpa. Instead, we say this, mari. Mari Pak.
Mari.
Mari Bu. Mari Pak.
Mari Pak. Mari Bu. Mari Bu Indianti.
Yeah, mari Bu. So, Mr. Tununu, if you say mari Bu, and then it means that you are going to leave.
Okay.
And then there's also that's a formal version, and then there's also the informal version which says aku duluan ya. Aku duluan ya means I will go first. So if, for example, Miss Farah and Mr. Tununu are in a train station, and then the train for Mr. Tununu came, and the train for Miss Farah hasn't come yet. So Mr. Tununu will say, Bu Farah, aku duluan ya. I will go first.
Okay, so you say aku duluan ya, Miss
Yes.
Farah.
Yeah.
Aku duluan ya.
Aku duluan.
Aku duluan ya.
Duluan.
Yeah.
Aku duluan.
Aku duluan ya.
Yeah. I'm go first. I go now.
I go now.
Okay, I go now. I'm going first. Okay.
Yeah.
This one means that someone will get to leave or leaving the place. There are also other words to say that. Is dadah. Dadah used by friends or by children. It's the casual version. For example,
What it means?
Dadah does not have a direct English meaning, but it roughly translates into bye bye.
Okay.
Meaning is the end now.
Yeah. Dadah, seperti itu. And then you left.
Dadah.
Or for even shorter, you can say dah, like that. Bye.
Okay, so da is bye for the kids, eh?
Yeah. Usually tend to be used by kids or someone you really close with. Like
like Mrs. Zurita, I can say da Zurita.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Like that lah.
Dadah, seperti itu. Like that.
Dadah. Okay.
Dadah. Dah.
Okay.
So here's a little review. How are you means apa kabar? How about
Apa kabar?
apa kabar? If you want to say how about you can say bagaimana denganmu atau or kabarmu, or you can say dengan Anda. And then there is goodbye, which you can say sampai jumpa, dadah or dada. And then look at this too. I'll get going. You can say mari Pak, Bu or Kak in a formal setting, or you can say aku duluan ya in informal setting.
Mhm.
Okay, let's practice. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's practice latihan.
Okay, everyone.
Latihan.
Yes, you have all been.
Tiwi, let's practice the conversation first.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ms. Zarita, would you like to start?
Yeah, sure. Miss Farah is there?
Yes.
Okay, so Miss Farah, apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Bagaimana denganmu?
Bagaimana
Dengan.
What?
Bagaimana denganmu? Atau bagaimana kabarmu?
Okay, bagaimana kabarmu?
Yeah,
Kabar
kabarmu.
saya baik.
Mhm.
Job.
Yeah. Mari Kak, aku duluan ya. Sampai jumpa.
Yes, usually you can say that way. You can say all of them actually. You can say mari Pak, aku duluan ya. Sampai jumpa. You can say all of it. Indonesia does not have a strict rule when it comes to greeting someone informally. So in situations that are not formal, you can just say almost anything you can or you know. You can combine all three of this as well as or you can just use one of them and it's all right.
Okay. So, Mr. Tununu, are you ready?
Yes, we practice with me now.
Okay. So, Mr. Tununu, apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Ask me back.
Okay. You start again. I missed
Okay.
it somehow.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Tununu, apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik. Bagaimana kabarmu?
Kabar saya baik. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So what do I say? You brought in something I did to prepare.
Yeah, it's actually also another culture in Indonesia. We say Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So I was supposed to say Dada or aku duluan ya, something like that.
Yeah, mari.
Mari. Oh, Mari Pak or Mari.
Mari Kak.
Mari Bu.
Yeah.
Marika. Okay. Let's try again for the last time, I think.
Okay, good. You ask me.
Okay. Apa kabar, Mrs.
Kabar,
Zurita?
ya, kabar saya baik. Alhamdulillah. Bagaimana denganmu?
Should I just say Dada? So say I'm fine.
Kabar saya baik
Kabar
dulu.
saya baik dulu.
Okay, kabar saya baik. Yeah.
Okay, again.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah.
Mhm. Apa kabar, Miss Zurita?
Kabar saya baik. Bagaimana kabarmu? Okay, when you listen the word last word, bagaimana kabarmu? See, you take the last word, kabar saya baik.
I should take the last word and then okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you say
when you ask me apa kabar, right? When you ask me apa kabar, I said the last word you said kabar saya baik.
kabar, I should use the last word to begin my response.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik. Bagaimana kabarmu?
Okay, so I'll say kabar
Bagaimana
saya baik.
kabarmu?
Kabar saya baik, ya? Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, fine. Bagaimana kabarmu?
Kabar saya baik.
Okay, then I'll say kabar. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I get it. I get it now.
Yeah, so just take the last word.
The last word is the one that was supposed to start my sentence.
Yes,
Yes.
start
When
answer.
in context, yes.
Okay, the answer, yes. Okay, fine. It's okay now.
Mm-mm.
And then after
Yes.
after you have your conversation and then you need to go, you can say, yeah,
Okay, Maripa, aku duluan ya.
yes, like that.
Mhm.
Mari Pak, aku duluan ya. Dadah.
Yes, you can say it. Yes.
Dadah.
Miss Farah, would you like to try with me? Miss Farah, you are muted. I cannot hear you.
Sorry.
It's okay. So let's try, yeah?
Maribak.
I'm going
Maribak.
to
Aku dulu.
aku duluan. Aku duluan.
Aku duluan ya.
Yes. Let's try
Dadah.
from the start. Let's try from the start. Miss Farah, Bu, apa kabarmu? And then you say, kabar saya.
Kabar saya baik.
Yes, that is correct. Kabar saya baik. And then, Miss Farah, you are going to ask, bagaimana denganmu?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Yes, kabar saya baik.
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Yes, kabar saya baik. That's how I reply.
Bagaimana what? Bagaimana
Denganmu.
Denganmu.
There is no difference between kabarmu and denganmu. Yes.
Kabarmu is
Yeah.
can use both
Dengan
of them.
dengan is with.
Yes.
What about you? With you. What about with you? So dengan bagaimana denganmu?
Oh, denganmu. Bagaimana denganmu? Bagaimana kabarmu? Okay. So dengan is how about you or how with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bagaimana denganmu?
Yes. And then
Bagaimana dengan Anda? Okay.
That's the formal version.
Dengan
And then there is goodbye.
Oh, goodbye
Dadah.
is
Sampai
sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Aku duluan ya.
Aku duluan ya. Oke, sampai jumpa. Aku duluan ya.
Yes.
Or mari Pak, aku duluan ya.
Yes, you can also say it that way. Mari Pak, aku duluan ya. Like that.
Okay. So the Durwania is usually mentioned a bit faster than the Maripak. Is that correct?
You say Mari Pak first, then aku duluan ya.
Yes, I mean to say the way you are pronouncing the words. You say Maripak. You notice the what? The speed of the voice. You say Maripak, Mari Ibu, or Marika, but you are saying Akudurwania. It looks like Akudurwania is faster than Maripak.
Oh, it's actually depending on the person. It's I actually the type of person that say aku duluan ya quickly, but then there are other person that does not. It's just a matter of the tone.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now that you mentioned it, Mr. Tununu, we say mari pa, mari. That's why sometimes it tends to be faster. Mari Pak, mari Bu.
Okay, mari Pak, mari Bu, aku duluan ya. Okay.
Wow, very good.
Very good actually. Okay, so next we have a little bit of practice. Kak Tiwi, can you help me?
Yes, okay. Now it's time to check your understanding. Let's start with our first activity. Okay. Now it's time to check your understanding. Look at the first times. Do you still remember what should we say at 6 a.m.?
Yeah, 6 a.m. is selamat.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
Yes, that's correct.
Selamat pagi.
Okay. So we say selamat pagi at 6 a.m. Next, 12 p.m. What do you think should we say? 12 p.m.
Selamat siang.
Yes, correct. Okay. How about 4 p.m.?
Selamat.
Selamat sore.
Yes, correct. So we say selamat sore at 4 p.m. And the last one at 8 p.m. What should we say?
Selamat
Selamat.
malam.
Yeah, correct.
Selamat malam.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next we have another fun activity. Okay. So, Miss Rendianti, can you help me to join the game?
Okay, please give me a moment.
All right.
Tenunu, apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Bagaimana denganmu?
Yes. I wanted to ask you now. You make me practice more. You.
Sure.
So that I can get to know the language more.
All right. Kak Pratiwi?
All right. Can we start right now? Yes.
Oh yes.
So, let's answer it together. Who wants to choose a number first? So there are
May I
six
start first?
buttons. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let me start first, okay?
Yes.
Okay, number
What-
5.
Okay. Number 5, Mr. Rindy. So
You ask
Okay.
about your friend's
Yeah.
condition.
choose the correct
Which one?
answer. A.
Apa kabar?
Okay.
Yes, that's correct. So next, Mr. Sununu.
I go number 3.
Okay.
Mr. Tununu, you are meeting someone in the evening. What do you say?
Meeting someone in the evening.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam.
Is it correct? Are you
Yes.
sure?
Oh, it's
No.
not
Oh,
It's not selamat. It's sore. Okay.
Yes, it's supposed to be sore.
Sore, siang is afternoon.
Yes.
Sore is evening.
yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Maybe Mr.
I said malam. So malam is night, yeah?
Oh,
Correct.
Sorry,
okay.
there are time limitations. Okay, it's okay. Just let it be.
Okay.
So Miss Farah, which one do you like? So we already reserved 3 and 5. Miss Farah, which one do you like to pick?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay. Dun.
So
You
you
want
want
to
to leave after meeting your friends?
Where is it? I didn't see anything.
You didn't see anything?
I think
What's happening?
you have pressed.
You won't leave after meeting your friends?
Aku duluan ya.
Okay, let's check.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Right.
aku duluan.
Aku duluan.
Mr. Tenunu, answer number 3.
I try again.
Try
Yeah.
again. Oh, it's a different question.
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Say
Say
goodbye to your
To you,
lecturer.
Sampai jumpa
How
bu.
would you say
Sampai jumpa Bu.
to
Let's check.
Sampai jumpa bu.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, correct. Yay!
Okay. Number one.
One.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh,
Miss
yang
Farah.
tadi,
Miss Farah answer.
Miss Farah.
Evening.
Evening.
Selamat sore.
Dan dan dan.
Yay.
Yes.
Okay. Number four. Mr. Tununu. Number four.
Yes, number 4 for me.
Ah.
You greet your friends at campus.
Yeah.
Yeah. How will you say?
So I just say hi.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, class 2. I think this is the same question that we already got. Oh, Miss Farah. Ask your friends.
Ask your friends condition after they ask you.
Friends conditions.
Okay, it should be bagaimana denganmu?
Number C.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct.
Bagaimana?
And number five.
Last
Number
one.
5.
Last one.
Bagaimana
Okay,
kabar?
you ask
Apa
about your
kabar?
friend's
You ask
condition. Yeah. Wow,
Apa
Mr.
kabar?
Tununu. Excellent.
Yeah.
Apa kabar?
Yay.
Yeah, very
We
well,
are
everyone.
all sick of it.
Yeah, we got a perfect score.
Okay.
Okay.
That's not the only one, yeah, Miss TV?
Oh,
There's another one, right?
okay.
So, wait a minute. It's still loading here.
Mr. Tununu, how are you? Sorry. Apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, Miss Farah, bagaimana denganmu?
Kabar saya baik.
Yeah, correct. Betul.
Thank you.
Betul?
Betul means correct.
Ah, correct.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
another
try
game.
another fun activity. So you are going to complete the sentence. Selamat blank.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat what?
Selamat pagi, Bu.
Like this?
Let's check together. Yes.
It is correct. Okay.
There's conversation
So-
between Caca and Ayah. Caca bla bla bla. Ayah, kabarku baik.
Apa kabar?
Ya, apa
Yes.
kabar? Correct.
Apa kabar? Baik.
Kabar.
Oh, apa kabar? Okay, ya.
Yay.
Apa kabar?
Okay.
Oh, selamat.
So, when someone says selamat sore, you can answer it. You can just
Sore,
answer it
yes.
using
As you say.
sore.
Selamat siang.
Yes, correct. That is correct.
Okay. Bambang says aku duluan ya. What should Joko say to him?
Dadah.
Let's check. Yay. Next, Ayu asks apa
Apa kabar?
kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik.
Sochi,
Blank blank blank.
kabar saya baik.
Panjang
Bagaimana
bagaimana dan ya Allah.
denganmu?
Bagaimana
Denganmu.
denganmu? Yes.
Oke.
Yes, let's check.
I hate this word.
Yeah, it's really hard to pronounce. Yeah.
Oke, I think it's the last.
Bagaimana denganmu?
Okay, that is what.
Ya.
Let's
Aku
say
duluan ya.
yeah. What did Mamat say before that?
Aku
Duluan.
dulu.
Let's check.
Yes.
Yes, that is correct.
Yes, we got a perfect score again.
Okay, just a second.
How can we say what about you?
What
About
about you?
bagaimana denganmu?
Bagaimana dengan
Bagaimana denganmu?
I think so.
Bagaimana denganmu? How about you?
Bagaimana denganmu?
Let's have more conversation. Lengkapi kalimatnya. Complete the sentence. Sentence itu kalimat itu kalimat means sentence.
I can
Complete. Okay. So let's see.
What?
Aya and Aya meet Kacha in the morning. They are friends. So, Mr. Tenunu, Miss Farah, can you help me fill complete the sentences?
Okay.
Halo kakak, selamat pagi.
Yes. Halo ayah, selamat pagi. Kamu apa kabar?
Kamu apa kabar?
Kabar saya baik.
Yes. Excellent.
Bagaimana dengan kamu?
Kabar saya baik.
Kabar saya baik. Good.
Oh, baik. Akak duluan ya?
Aku.
Aku, okay, yes. Oh, aku. But the first word is baik.
Ya, baiklah.
Baiklah.
Okay.
This is a new word.
Yes. Baiklah baiklah means okay.
Means what?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just okay.
Oh, baik.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, baiklah.
or it means alright?
Baiklah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, baiklah. Aku duluan ya.
Yes, like that. That is correct. Good. And continue.
Laya. Laya wala or ayah? Laya?
Iya. Is it
Dada.
ayah or iya?
Iya. Sudah.
Dadah.
Yeah or ayah? This is I.
Yeah.
Dada.
Ya, iya.
Iya, dadah.
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 Okay. Next, this is another scenario. Chacha meets Miss Aya, her teacher.
Okay. In the afternoon.
Afternoon. Miss Aya uses her mask. Uses her mask and is covering. What is it?
Okay. So kakak will say.
It's really, I
Mr.
think
Tenunu,
there's answer it?
Oh, yes, I think someone is using the PPT also.
Yes.
You can read it. Mr. Tununu, it's Chacha. Chacha is someone's name.
Chacha. Okay, Chacha. Okay.
Miss Farah, would you like to play Chacha?
Okay. Halo Bu Aya, selamat siang.
Halo, selamat siang Chacha.
Apa kabar Ibu?
Kabar saya kurang baik. It means I don't because I'm wearing my mask.
Ah,
And this
what?
says lekas
Siba?
sembuh.
Likas simbu Bu.
It means get well soon.
Likas simbu.
It means get well soon.
Mari Bu. Simbai jambu.
Sampai
Jampa.
jumpa.
Simbai jumpa.
Ya, sampai.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai. Okay.
Sampai.
Mr. Tununu and Bu Zurita, would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I play which one?
You play Bu Aya.
Oh, Bu Aya.
Okay, so halo Bu Aya, selamat siang.
Halo, selamat siang Kakak.
Caca.
Selamat. Oh, iya ya.
Apa kabar Bu?
Ayah, kabar saya yang kurang baik.
Lekas sembuh Bu.
Terima kasih.
Mari Bu, sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Yes.
What
Good
sampai
job.
jumpa means?
Sampai jumpa means goodbye.
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 Sampai jumpa.
Terima kasih. Okay, terima kasih.
That's
Yes. Terima kasih is thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much or just thank you?
Terima kasih just
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much is terima kasih banyak.
Okay.
Terima kasih banyak is used in just like the previous one, used in a more formal setting. And okay, just a little information here. Lekas sembuh is actually means get well soon. Lekas sembuh.
Lekas sembuh.
Lekas sembuh. And yep, okay. Terima kasih. It seems that we have reached the ending of our session. Miss Farah, Mr. Tununu, Miss Zurita, do you guys have any other question?
No.
I will let Miss Farah and Mr. Tenunu if they has any question.
Yeah, on the terima kasih. Sometimes you just say thanks. How do you say thanks without using two words?
Didn't really hear that. That disturb it?
Okay, I was asking to say, Terima you have said is thank you.
Mhm. Yes, terima kasih is thank you.
So which one of the two words? Which one of the two words means thanks or thank?
Okay. So it does not have a direct meaning. So they work. These two work together as thank you. You cannot separate them.
Okay. Okay, fine.
There is actually a small equivalent, but we didn't. So in English, you sometimes say thanks. In Indonesia, we say makasih.
Aha, you remove the terima. We
Yes.
need the teri. Just say makasi.
Yes.
Okay.
I understand.
And makasih is the
In
informal
informal
version.
way.
Yes.
Informal, yeah. Makasih means thank you, but in informal way.
Yes. Makasih means informal.
Terima kasih in formal.
Mhm.
Yes.
Formal, yes.
Do you have any other question, Miss Tara?
No.
So, okay, we all learn a lot of new things, yeah, in this meeting. We learn how to say depending on the time. We say, what was it again? How do we say good morning?
Mari pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Mari pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Mari pak. Mari pak.
Selamat pagi.
Aku duluan ya.
Oh, that's what you say when you wanted to go. When we say good morning, we say
Selamat pagi.
Selamat
yes,
pagi.
pagi or pagi.
Pagi. Yes.
How about selamat malam? What does it mean?
Hmm?
What?
How do we say good night?
Your voice is
Oh,
slow.
sorry.
Okay. Selamat malam.
Yes.
Yes, selamat malam or malam.
Malam. Yes, selamat malam or malam.
Malam.
And how do we ask someone's condition?
Apa kabar?
Mhm.
Apa kabar?
Yes, apa kabar?
And how
And if
do we
he or she okay, she will
Kab-
say kabar saya baik.
Denganmu. Oh,
And if she is not okay, she will say kabar saya
kurang?
kurang baik.
Yes.
baik.
Kurang baik.
Okay. And then if we want to ask the
Kabar
person,
saya kurang baik.
bagaimana denganmu?
What?
So after,
Bagaimana denganmu? Yes, or bagaimana Anda?
Oh, bagaimana kabarmu?
after we say kabar saya baik, we sometimes ask the
Bagaimana
person again,
tinggalmu?
bagaimana
Tinggalmu.
kabarmu?
Right, Miss Zurita?
Yeah. Correct.
Bagaimana tinggalmu?
Yeah.
Tinggalmu.
Bagaimana
Dengan.
dengan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Bagaimana denganmu?
you always say dengan right now. Make it soft. Dengan.
Dengan. Bagaimana denganmu?
Yeah.
She's sing it. Denganmu.
Yeah, denganmu.
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 Oke, bagaimana denganmu?
Yeah, correct.
Or kabarmu.
And then when you wanted to say goodbye, how do we say it?
Tada.
Tada. Okay, that's the short version. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then the other one will be Maripak or Maribu.
Yes. Maripa or Maribu.
Aku duluan ya.
Maribu, Maripak, aku duluan ya.
Aku duluan ya.
And don't forget
Sampai
to say
jumpa.
sampai jumpa. Yes.
Oh, sampai jumpa.
Okay.
Sampai jumpa.
Correct, correct.
Miss Prativi, do you want to say something?
No, I think we can end the class. Oh, but we can share together.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we already at the end of our session tonight or today for Miss Sarah and Mr. Tununu. And
Thank you.
so we're going to take a picture first. Okay, 3, 2, okay. 3, 2, 1. Yep, all done. Okay. Terima
Mari, Maripak.
terima kasih
Mari,
for
Maribu,
attending.
Maribu.
Maribu,
Sampai jumpa.
Maribu.
Maribu. Sampai jumpa.
Dadah.
Okay.
Thank you very much,
Dadah.
everyone.
Masalama.
Okay. You guys can
Salam.
leave.
Terima malam.
Dadah.
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 Everyone.
Ya,
Aku duluan ya. Aku duluan ya.
Aku duluan ya. Dadah.
Don't worry. I will make sure Farah and Tenunu expert in bahasa Indonesia.
Yes.
Thank you,
Good. That's good.
I will ask them early in the morning, siang, sore, and malam.
Yes. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Bagaimana denganmu?
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's all for today. Thank you for coming in. You guys, if you
Okay.
have any business to do, you can use the Google Meet. And
Thank you.
terima kasih.
Okay,
Dadah.
terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
Terima
Dadah.
kasih.
Dadah.
Bye, Miss Sarah.
Bye. Dadah.